Hi all, shall we start? Today we are going to see rush order and cash sale. Rush order and cash sale. Rush order, cash sale. We are going to see rush order and cash sale in SAP SD, sales and distribution. So both are same only. The only difference between rush order and cash sale is delivery will be happening later point of time. Delivery will be happening later point of time in rush order. Receivables will be happening later point of time in rush order, but cash sale is immediate cash, immediate delivery. Okay, rush order, receivables, cash receivable will happen later, later point of time, but cash sale immediate delivery and immediate receivable. Cash will be received immediate. Both are immediate. But rush order, cash will happen. Cash receivable will be happening later point of time. Let me show that in the system itself. SAP system. Go to BA01. Cash sale. CS. Order type is CS. Enter sold to party, ship to party, that is customer number. Enter payment terms, terms of payment, import terms, international shipping terms. Enter material, quantity, enter quantity. I am entering it 1. Double click onto the line item. Go to shipping, enter plant, enter storage location, net weight, gross weight, net weight and gross weight, and save. See, delivery will be happening immediately once when you create sales order. See, delivery created 8080152007 is the delivery number. So we have to deliver it. BL02N. Delivery will be happening in BL02N. That is, goods issue will be happening in BL02N. This is the delivery number, outbound delivery. Press enter. Pick the quantity and post goods issue to the customer. This is the customer. F and FF and O is the customer. 500026 is the customer number. I'm just goods issuing to the customer. Okay, I have done the goods issue to the customer. Press enter again to check. See, this is display. So I have done goods issue. Now come back. Go to BF01. That is billing. Bill the customer. BF01. Save. Control S is save or click onto this floppy disk. So I have done the save also. So I have done the cash sale. Now I'm going to do rush order. VA same transaction code is same. VA01. Rush order. RO is the in rush order. Receivables will be happening later point of time. Immediate delivery like cash sale. It is immediate delivery. RO is the document type. Press enter. Enter sold to party. Enter import terms, shipping terms, payment terms, enter material, order quantity 10, double click onto this line item, go to shipping, enter plant, enter storage location, net weight and gross weight, and gross weight. Click onto this floppy disk to save. See, delivery has been created. When you create the order itself, when you confirm the order itself, delivery will be created. Now you have to deliver it at VL02N. VL02N. Immediate delivery. So postcodes issued to the customer. Okay, now go to BF01 billing. Press enter and save. But the receivables will be happening later point of time. So customer will give you the payment later point of time, not immediate. But cash sale is immediate delivery, immediate billing, immediate cash. Best example for cash sale is grocery shop, where you give money and you take away the items. Okay. So I have done rush order cash sale. Now I'm going to do returns. The third process is returns, customer return. So I'm going to take an existing order, VA03. I have created an existing order, VA03 02. Order is 12102. Come back. Go to the document flow and check the document flow. See, I have done inquiry, quotation, I have created order confirmation, sales order, delivery, and I have done the picking, goods issue, and invoice. Now, customer is returning this material back to the company itself. So, with this standard order, with this order type, I'm going to take back the material from the customer and put the credit memo. Come back. Come back. Go to BA01. So order type is RE, returns. I'm going to do returns delivery. RE has not been defined for the sales area. So we have to do a small configurations here. Okay, new entry. For the sales area, we have to we have to assign the document. ZZSC distribution channel, ZZ is division, RA save. Come back, close this. Now click create with reference. Enter order type, copy. So I'm going to do returns delivery to the customer. From the customer, customer is going to send us back the material. See, create returns. Check here, double click onto this line item, order return is poor quality. I'm selecting poor quality. Material ruined or damage in transit. Unselect this billing block, press enter, go to shipping, come back, double click onto this line item, go to shipping, net weight, gross weight. Now save. Okay, 6000, 600, 000, 88 is the returns. Now I'm going to take back the material from the customer. Slash in PL01N. Shipping point is 1000. Present. Okay. Post goods receipt. See, receipting from the customer. GR, goods receipt. Okay. Let me check again. Post goods receipt. There is a problem in the system. PL03. Yeah. Let me just check the display. PL01. Yeah. So done. Delivery, post goods receptors, done. Now go to BF01. See, this is the returns. Press enter and save. So it is credit for returns. It's more like credit memo. It's a credit memo. So we are giving credit memo to the customer. That is saying that we are going to pay back the customer. Now save. Control S is save. Now go to VA03. Enter the sales order number. I'm entering the sales order number 12102. Click on to document flow. See, customer inquiry number we have created. We have given quotation to the customer, and then based on the quotation, order has been confirmed by the customer, and we have created a sales order. This is the sales order number. This is the sales order number, and we deliver to the customer. We did goods issue to the customer, and we invoice the customer. And now customer has sent us back the material returns. So we have created a returns delivery. We created order confirmation, returns order confirmation, and we did return delivery, and we created credit memo. So this is the process flow. Now I'm going to create a scheduling agreement. Scheduling agreement. What do you mean by scheduling agreement? It's a agreement between company and the customer saying that this particular date I'm going to send you the material. So on this particular date only I will be able to send the material. That is, post goods issue will be happening on particularly on that particular date or the next date. Okay, before that date it cannot be sent. So that is scheduling agreement. Go to BA 31. See, scheduling agreement. DS is the order type. Go to sold to party, enter sold to party, valid from date, valid to date, valid from date. I'm giving 1. Material 1547. 10. Okay. Double click onto this line item. Go to shipping, land, storage location, net weight, gross weight. Go to schedule lines, enter delivery date. So today's date 5, 5, 5. Next date is 17, 5, 5, 5. Next date is 19th, 5, 5, 5. Only on this particular date delivery can be made. Okay. Now save. 17th 5, 19th 5. Come back. Go to shipping. Net weight, gross weight I have missed it. So based on the date delivery will be happening. Come back. Payment terms, input terms. 17th I have given 5 quantity and 19th I have given another 5 quantity. Save. Okay. So I have to enter PO number and PO date. I forgot to enter PO number and PO date. Any number. PO number is any number. PO date. Press enter and save. 3000059 is the scheduling agreement date. Now go to VL01N. 17th. So enter 17th. Date 17th. One is 17th, another one is 19th. Press enter. So 5. See 5. And the next is 19. Another 5. 5. Post goods issue. Just checking it out again. Goods issue did not happen. There is a small problem in the system. Post goods issue. Okay, delivery has been done. Now go to VF01 for billing. Bill the customer. Save it. Go to VA03 to check the document flow. Okay, see, not this one, scheduling agreement. 3000059. Sorry, VA33. Transaction code is VA/VA33. Check the document flow here. This is the document number. See, I have created a scheduling agreement, delivered it to the customer. See, picking done. So one delivery will be on 12th, another delivery will be on 17th. Okay, this is what it says, and I have invoiced the customer. Okay, so today I have done rush order, cash sale, returns delivery, rush order, cash sale, returns delivery, and scheduling agreement. Scheduling agreement. Thank you.